Offsite construction is the prefabrication or pre-assembly of building components or buildings in a factory away from the site where the final building is going to be erected and used. This level of prefabrication can range from putting two simple components together to finishing the complete building in the factory and taking it to site. The advantages for clients from Offsite are reduced program time, program certainty, improved quality, and ultimately a lower cost of construction.
We're currently sat in the active office on Swansea University's Bay campus. Using traditional construction techniques, we wouldn't have been able to hit the deadlines involved in this project. We signed the contract with Wernick on the 22nd of December and the building launched on the 21st of June. You don't necessarily have to worry about weather or site conditions, and it also enables you to parallel process that activity so that you can prepare the site while the building is being manufactured somewhere else. The other advantage is that the use of an off-site manufacturing process meant that we can use more manufacturing techniques to ensure the tolerances and the quality is there.
By building buildings in a factory, it's actually opening up more labour. Rather than them all being produced in the location that they're needed, it enables people to have a static place of work rather than a nomadic lifestyle. Off-site construction gives you a far more stable balance, and certainly a great number of government departments are now promoting the use of off-site, certainly in education and in housing as the future and the answer. And it's all following manufacturing processes. We're close to the tipping point where off-site becomes accepted universally as being the viable go-to solution.